What's up, you guys? We back again. I told you we would go keep the videos rolling all week long. Guess what? Today is Valentine's Day, and guess what we doing on Valentine's Day?
Happy Valentine's Day, everybody!
Yes, sir. We got the a conventional sectional right here, you guys. Boom! Look at here, you guys. We got a convertible sectional couch. They brought it today. UPS brought these big boxes. We got 1, 2, 3 big boxes. So we're gonna unbox it first, and then after we unbox it, you guys make sure y'all stay tuned and watch the whole setup of it. So let's get this baby open and see what's in these big boxes. 1, 2, 3. This one right here says it's a corner sofa with stool. 1-seater, 1 stool. This one right here, hey, y'all like my pool table? Oh yeah. This right here says this is an ottoman, dark gray ottoman right here. And over here, it says this should be a sofa, a corner sofa with a stool. It's a bit 2-seater. So I do know from reading the when we bought it, it says that all the pillows that go inside the sofa are vacuum sealed. So we have to open those up, and 72 hours we get it. So let's go.
All right, everybody. So y'all know we got a convertible sectional. 3 boxes strong. So y'all know they was already, he's my strong man. I don't know. What did this box say? I think they actually did pretty good about labeling the box. This is the ottoman with the storage. This box that I got here. So, and they actually packaged this really nice.
How I feel. Let me move this out of the way. Well, you guys can kind of see it.
I might. What? Oh, we almost there.
No, we got the box. Wait a minute. That's how they doing that. All right, there we go. All right, is it?
There we go. Woo!
Yes, sir.
Oh, it do feel good. That was one of our concerns.
Oh, that's the ottoman.
Yeah.
That's the ottoman.
That was one of the concerns we had with buying it without seeing it.
Yeah. Hey, you gotta make sure you
pull it open, show them your special feature.
Oh, well. Hey, look, you guys, this is the ottoman that came with it. We love this thing. Very affordable. Ooh! Oh, come on around this side.
It got a little strappy.
Come on, wait, come on around. Stay right here. We gotta put the sound on it.
You guys, so in here, and here's the legs that we're gonna have to put on this. But look how big this thing is. They actually mailed this. That's crazy. But it's actually smooth feeling.
Yeah.
Pretty cool. All right, next box. So, ladies and gentlemen, again, remember we're about to build something.
Oh, this is the vacuum seal.
Yeah.
Sit them on top of the pool table.
So this is one of the pillows, actually.
You see how the pillows are vacuum sealed?
Woo!
They say once you open it, allow 72 hours for the pillow to recover. Here go all of the feet. All of the feet right there.
Yes, they let you know they store everything inside. There's a little bit of tools here.
Okay, there we go.
We gotta bump it up again. Woo!
Don't forget about these assembly instructions. Not use a knife or anything over. What I did, I just used the back of my key so I won't scratch anything.
Ladies and gentlemen, dun dun dun! I think that was the easiest way.
Wait a minute. Wait.
There you go. So, we have the back. I think this is a butt cushion here.
Oh, let me hold that.
And here's the bigger pillow.
Yeah, that's the big one. Vacuum seal.
Vacuum seal.
That's the long one.
Yep.
I gotta record that.
Ladies and gentlemen, in less than half an hour, I'm so pumped right now. We have a full sofa and two ottomans.
Mm-hmm.
A full sofa and two ottomans.
Less than 30 minutes.
Less than 30 minutes.
So that means one person can do it in about 30 to 45 minutes. One person.
Yes. So the cool part about this couch, as y'all know, it's called convertible sectional. So we'll show you. Let's just move this up a little bit so you can get an understanding of what we mean.
And you can do this. We've got this in our basement in my man cave, so you can do this all different ways. Watch this.
So
regular sofa.
This is the ottoman, right? But what we can do, as y'all see, is 3 pieces there.
I don't want to sit on it yet because the pillars are still inflated.
So we can pull this out. And no, I should have did it the other way. We can pull this out, put this here, and now we have a sectional. Ta-da!
Yeah.
And then, if you want to get a little
Sleep over there.
Little swaggy.
Yeah.
You know, left arm, right arm. Remember, we convertible.
Wait a minute. Before you even do that, show them that if you want to have somebody coming over and they want to have somewhere to sleep, this part goes into here. And now you have what you would consider that like a full size bed. It'd be equivalent to a full size bed.
Yep.
So now somebody can sleep right here on that. You can have it as a bed. The back doesn't go down, so that stays there. And then show them the last way. How you want to do it.
We can, because if you right arm, left arm.
Yeah. You can switch it to either side. Switch that over here. Boom. And now you got it on that side. So however your setup is, you can You can totally arrange. And oh wait a minute, we got one more way short. Put that on the other side. So if you got, you know, two people.
If y'all watching TV, and boom.
So now,
if the parents want to chill, and you put the bad kid in the middle, so they can't get no legs.
And look how long that is. So if you got a big person, or there's a big person in your family, this will easily fit someone over 6 foot tall right here. Their legs can cut down. Their legs right there.
Long legs.
So those are all the different ways that you can maneuver this.
For less than a half an hour, ladies and gentlemen.
Yeah.
Delivered right to your door. You don't have to pay $100 to the delivery man.
Yeah.
UPS delivered it.
Yeah.
We are so super stoked. Granted, don't talk about our pillows. Remember, we got to give it 72 hours for them to fully fluff themselves out.
Yeah, that's why we don't want to sit on it.
But actually, you see, it's already doing pretty well.
It's doing its stuff.
Man, I'm so stoked. And this one, it feels really good.
Yeah.
Gotta be honest, it feels really good.
Yeah.
And it actually, what we didn't show you, we didn't pull this off, but you can Velcro it so the pillows stay in place.
Yeah.
We didn't do it because we wanted to show y'all the different ways.
And you just want to wait till the pillows settle down too. Yeah.
So
that's it. It's about this height right here. So I'm gonna play around with it, but I think I might
buy some
taller feet. That's the only thing you know I would say about this is that the option.
It might not be bad when you think.
Yeah.
Because
the TV. Well, my thing is my TV is up so high, so
that's why you.
Yeah, if my TV was sitting on that, it'd be right in my face.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is how the real Nesters do Valentine's Day. You wear your red shirt and you put together a sofa lounge.
Hey, you guys want to say thank you to my wife. She bought this for me for my birthday. Yeah, thank you, man. Thank you.
Yeah, wow, no, they can't see all that. You can't give them all that.
She bought this for me for my birthday. I appreciate that. We getting the man cave together. I just got a couple more things to do, and the man cave will totally be finished. Then I can show you guys.
And then we could do the final man cave review.
Oh, yeah. That's it. Hey, thank you guys for watching. You know, as always, we're going to have a link to this in the description.
Oh, yes.
This is a great deal. This is a great deal, you guys.
Give us some thumbs up and share us out. Don't forget, it's Valentine's Day, so we want to see the hearts drop down below.
You talking to them from the side.
Yes, I am.
What they around the corner? You trying to talk to them from the side?
I talk to them from the side.
Hey, see you guys on the next one. Peace.